Hi, I am Peter Filinovich, and in this video I am going to describe you about how to get erection for longer duration. One of the problems that men face when they are making love is that they find that the male organ is flaccid, and this causes them a lot of discontent. It also makes them feel a lot of embarrassment in front of the female. There are some methods in which you will be able to overcome these kinds of problems. The first thing that you will be able to do is to check what the problem is. There could be various causes for the trouble. You may have suffered from a lot of stress, and this could be the cause for the problem. Other than the stress, you may also be suffering from a lack of confidence. There could be immune system problems and also less energy because of a lot of work. Each of these problems could have caused the flaccidity in the male organ to occur. If the cause is any of these, then you can take heart, because these can be easily controlled and you can have an increased erection. The problem could be that aging and all the problems that have been mentioned here can cause you to produce only a small volume of testosterone. When this happens, you will be able to have a decreased volume of semen produced. Other than the decreased volume of semen, you may also be able to only have a fewer number of sperms in the semen than what is required for a normal male. This could cause you embarrassment too. If this is the case, then Blues Capsule is the one that you will have to buy and use. Blues Capsule is one of the herbal products that are available. The capsule has a lot of ingredients and each of them have a specific function, and this is why they are added to the capsule. For example, there are some ingredients that will help to prevent stress and you will feel energetic. There are others that are aphrodisiacs and they will help to increase the hunger that you have for sex. There are other ingredients like the horny goat weed that will help to increase the amount of testosterone that is produced in the body. All these together will make you have a good immune system. Blues Capsules will also make you feel energetic and you will be able to ensure that you have a great time of lovemaking. Since there are so many benefits that you will be able to get when you use this Blues Capsule once a day for a few months, there is no harm in trying it. There are no side effects at all. This is because of the fact that the ingredients are all natural products and they will be effective too. Ingredients used in Blues Capsules will help you to boost the energy and also make sure that you are able to maintain the erection for a long time. This will also help you to please your partner and will make you more self-confident and happy. Buy Blues Capsule from worldwideweb.ayurvedresearchfoundation.com.